I feel the induction process benefits us because most of the staff that come in have never done care before. So it's given them an insight of what care is about. I do remember one member of staff, and she's still with us now, and I remember her coming in for an interview with me, and it was, I don't know if this is for me, I don't know. So I offered her to come on the induction, and she is absolutely amazing. You know, I'd love to put her through to a care award, to be honest, because I think for her confidence from when she first started to now is outstanding. And I do honestly believe that's the induction.
I think the induction provides a really good support to staff as they move forward and learn and develop in their careers. One person in particular arrived with a really good experience of care work, but not with specific experience of working with older people. So she really zoomed forward as a result of the induction and has actually gone right now to the point where she's a senior and an extremely competent one as well.
It's set out really easy, I feel, from like the QCF level to what our induction questions, because some of the people that come to us, some of them do need a lot of support. We have people with dyslexia, we have people that don't like to read and write, so we support them through that. So I feel that the induction process that we've got, the actual standards, are set out for every type of person, you know, with different abilities.
Well, not only was the induction an induction into my role, it explained all the policies and the procedures, the handbook. It let me have an understanding of what my expectations was going to be within the role. And it wasn't a test if you fail or pass. It was just to check your knowledge and make sure you're keeping up with the induction. And then if there were some answers that you were unsure of, she would support you into answering those with more detail, with more understanding.
Berthnasol iawn at yn rôl i, achos dwi wedi newydd cychwyn. Dim ond bod yma 6 wythnos, felly pwysig iawn. Os byddwn i ddim wedi mynd trwy sefydlu, bydd o'n galed iawn i fi cael gwybod yr ins and outs o ffordd mae'r cartref mae'n cael ei redeg.
Yn ogystal â hyn, rhaid dysgu amdan lles i'r unigolion, dysgu sut i ofalu am yr unigolion yn y lle yma.
It gave me all the knowledge I need and all the skills to carry my job, roll out. Not having the induction, I wouldn't have had the confidence or the understanding how to carry out my job role without my induction.
After completing my induction, I felt empowered. It gave me the confidence to deal with new things that I thought I may be incapable of dealing with before. I was advising new worker that it's very important that you take everything on board. Some things may feel irrelevant at the time, but within your role when you're out in the community or as part of the office team, there will be times where you use everything in your induction.
Mae sefydlu da yn gallu gwneud gwahaniaeth mawr. Mae unigolyn aelod o staff sy'n ymuno efo ni sydd heb gael yr cyfnod sefydlu, falle mynd i deimlo yn ansicr ynghylch ei rôl, yn ansicr o beth i dylid swyddau, yn ansicr o sut i ddefnyddio rhai o'r offer sy'n cael ei trin a'i defnyddio mewn cartref preswyl. Mae'r staff fel sydd wedi derbyn sefydliad da i'r gwrthwyneb yn mynd i fod efo'r sgiliau a'r dealltwriaeth o beth yw'r rôl nhw a beth yw'r disgwyliadau sydd arnyn nhw.
We've had feedback from family members and residents that the induction's made a difference.
The current induction process gives me great confidence in the organisation because it helps me because I feel confident with the way the company is run, and I feel confident because I know that everything is done as it should be for myself and the person I share with. When a worker comes into the house and does the induction the first time, she's very nervous. But as time goes on, when she does the second induction, she gets a bit more confident.
I mean, they all know the fundamentals when they arrive. There are quite a few amongst them where you know that they want to do the job well because they are deeply interested in the well-being of their client.
Mae'n bwysig iawn, fe maen nhw'n delio efo'r rhai sy'n byw, a maen nhw'n neud hynny. Rhan fwyaf o'r rhai sy'n helpu yn medru siarad Cymraeg. Ie. A mae rhai eisiau dysgu hefyd.
Oes, gwych.
Ydyn.
Gwych.
A maen nhw'n cael ambell i air neu peth wrth wrando ar y gwaniaeth rhai. Mor bell a cwmni a bwyd a pob peth fel yna.
Wrth feddwl am recriwtio staff a cadw staff, mae sefydlu da yn gallu helpu hynny. Dych chi'n fwy tebygol o gadw staff sydd wedi cael eu croesawu mewn i'r sefydliad, sydd yn deall beth i gwaith y sefydliad, sydd wedi derbyn hyfforddiant a'r sgiliau cywir i fod yn gwneud y swydd. Wrth i aelod newydd o staff ddechrau, mae cael cyfnod sefydlu eang a hir o 6 mis yn mynd i roi cyfle iddyn nhw fynd drwy'r broses yn drylwyr i gael gwybod fwy am ddiogelwch, i gael gwybod mwy am symud o thrin, i gael gwybod mwy am yr holl elfennau o ofal. A mae cadw fo fel cyfnod o 6 mis yn mynd i roi'r cyfle yna iddyn nhw ddysgu a deall beth yw yr anghenion i gyd.
I think companies should use the induction framework because it gives people the knowledge. You know, there's lots of different regulations out there now that we have to cover before we can send members of staff out.
Mae sefydlu da yn gallu cael budd mawr ar sefydliad. Mae'n helpu ni wrth recriwtio a chadw staff. Mae'n helpu ni fod yn teimlo'n ddiogel bod yn staff ni'n gwybod beth yw dyletswyddau nhw, bod nhw'n gweithio'n ddiogel a bod nhw hefyd yn cynnig y gwasanaeth gorau i'r unigolyn sy'n derbyn gwasanaeth. Bod hynny'n wasanaeth o fewn eu cartre hunain neu mewn cartre preswyl. Y beth sy'n dda amdano y fframwaith sefydlu hwn ydy bod o'n cwmpasu iechyd a gwasanaethau cymdeithasol. Felly mae'r sgiliau mae staff newydd yn ei dderbyn yn mynd i fod yn rhoi'r dealltwriaeth iddyn nhw yn y ddau faes yna.
I think it's really important to prove that we are investing in our staff, that we use the induction for all our staff. It empowers them, it empowers us, and it proves that we are investing in their futures and that we do believe in the importance of care work, and again it provides a really good sound foundation for the work that we carry out here.